Hi, so in today's video I wanted to share my Fidgets collection. This is quite a box full, and then I have another box of my favorites, which are tangles. So I have this glow-in-the-dark poppet, heart-shaped. I got it at Five Below. I love that it glows. And then I have some smaller poppets that I got at Walmart. This one, I think they were in a 4-pack. They were like a party pack. And this one. So these are the 4 poppets that I have. And then I have these, I forgot what these are called. Don't remember what they're called. But yeah, these are some multicolored ones that I got from Target. They came in a pack of 5. And I love doing this kind of stuff to them, or stretching them. It's good, kind of like tension release. And then I have these. These I got them at Walmart in the party section. And then I have an infinity cube. So this one's, I think this one came from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a multicolored one. This one came from Hobby Lobby. And then I think these are Wacky Tracks. They're called Wacky Tracks. I have several of these. All of these colors. Some of them came from the Dollar Tree and some of them came from Walmart. And then this one I made myself from other ones that had different colors on them because I love purple and pink. And this one, somebody else on YouTube did this, made like a little rectangle shape, and you just do that. I like doing that too. I like this. I showed this the last time. It's a little like mini keyboard clicker thingy. It's like one of my favorite things right now. Then I have, of course, a fidget cube. Little clicky thing, little buttons, spinner thing, buttons. It's another one I showed last time. Little dumpling, keychain, sticky thingy. Then these are like Neatos, but they're not Neato brand. They're from Hobby Lobby. This one has glitter in it. It's like in the shape of a cube. They feel pretty similar to Neatos. I think Neatos might be a little bit softer. And then this one's also like Neato texture, but it's not the brand Neato. Also from Hobby Lobby. And then these, I don't know what they're called. Snappers? This one I got it at Learning Resources. And then this one, it was a Christmas themed one at Hobby Lobby. I think this one's easier. This one's easier, but I like the color of this one. So I guess it's good to have both. These are just little eggs that have slime in them. I got them at Dollar Tree. I actually really like looking at them, looking at like the sparkling slime on the inside. I like just looking through the egg. more so than taking the slime out. Sometimes I do take the slime out to play with it, but I actually just like staring at the egg. It's really pretty. This is a paw clicky thing. This one I got it at Five Below. I have Aaron's Sticky Putty, Aaron's Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. This one has like confetti in it. So it's like a mix between slime and like Play-Doh. It's not really sticky, but it's really like stretchy. And these are big ones. Liquid Glass and Super Scarab. They are hard to open. This is the Liquid Glass. You can't even see it, but there is something in there. There you go. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. It's like clear. Yeah, that is really, really cool. And then Super Scarab. This one's like iridescent. Here is the Super Scarab Aaron's Thinking Putty. Looks like a stone. That is so pretty. I have other Aaron Thinking Putties, Avocado and Daydream, but I can't get them open, so maybe I'll show them in a short later. So this one actually, it had some wacky tracks attached to the ends. It's a fidget spinner, but I took off the wacky tracks and just made it into one of these. I think these are actually the ones that were attached to this. So it's just a fidget spinner, and we have like a few more fidget spinners throughout the house. Then we have this thing, twisty beads. I kept the packaging because it shows you little like puzzles on the back, and you're supposed to like make this look like one of these. It used to be more sturdy, but it loosened up because I think my daughter plays with it a lot. But I mean, it's still nice to fidget with. Squishy ball from Dollar Tree. A slug. I forgot what they call these, a sensory slug or something, but I love how colorful it is. I love the colors and the sound that it makes. I just love doing that. Magic wand. I love just watching the little things fall. I mean, that's pretty much all you can do with it, but it's so pretty. The last ones I have are a bunch of tangles. Entire container full. Tangles are like my absolute favorite fidgets. This one. These are all Tangle Juniors. Some of them are textured. This one I made it myself. I just took pieces from other Tangles. It's pink and orange. One of the newer textured ones. Textured. Another textured. These are some, I think they're called Tangle Relax. These are, I think, Tangle Think. another Tangle thing, so I have both of these. And I think these are Tangle Relax. These are color changing ones. These are some of the new Tangled gems. So the pink diamond, the crystal, and I think this one's called obsidian. I think if I were to show all of them to you, it would take up an entire other video. Oh, I forgot this one. It's I think these are called Dimple, like Dimpl. So, thank you for watching. If you like this content, please feel free to subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.